In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to Adobe Illustrator. Whether you're a designer working on your latest project or simply keen on exploring your creativity, the first step to unleashing the full potential of Adobe Illustrator is signing in properly. Let's dive into the process. You'll want to start by accessing Adobe Creative Cloud. You have two options here. You can either go to adobe.com using your web browser of choice, or, if you have it installed, you can open the Creative Cloud desktop application. Both avenues will lead you to the same destination, so choose the one that feels most convenient for you. Once you've reached the Adobe website, you'll notice the Sign In button prominently located in the top right corner. Similarly, if you're using the Creative Cloud app, you'll find the Sign In option either at the top bar or nestled within the app's interface. It's designed to be accessible and easy to find, no matter which platform you're on. Next up, you'll need to input your email address. This should be the email tied to your Adobe account. Now, keep in mind that if you have more than one account, say a personal account and one through your company or school, it's crucial to specify which account you're planning to use. Ensuring you select the correct one will streamline the process. Assuming you're signing into a personal account, your next step will be to enter your password. However, if you're using a company or school account, there might be an additional step involved. Many organizations use a single sign-on, or SSO, method to simplify the login process. This means you might need to follow a slightly different on-screen instruction to complete your sign-in. With your credentials correctly entered and your identity verified, you're all set to sign in to your Adobe Creative Cloud account. This is your gateway to a suite of creative tools that can transform your ideas into polished, professional-quality designs. Once inside, you may notice a helpful feature, the plus icon. Clicking on this will reveal all the apps available within your Adobe subscription. It's a handy way to explore all the creative possibilities at your fingertips. Now, to locate Adobe Illustrator specifically, simply use the search function. If Illustrator is part of your current Adobe plan, you'll have straightforward access. However, if it's not included, don't worry. You'll see both a Buy Now option and an opportunity to try Illustrator with a free trial. This ensures you have the flexibility to either purchase the app or test it out to see if it meets your creative needs. There you have it, the essential steps to sign in to Adobe Illustrator via Creative Cloud. Remember, once you're signed in, the world of Adobe's Creative Suite is yours to explore and use to bring your vision to life. Thank you for joining me today, and enjoy designing with Adobe Illustrator.